Hi, MJ. What are you eating? Peas and carrots? Mmm. What do you see on your plate? Who's on your plate? Who is that?
Maggie?
Yeah.
A-N-X.
Good job. What other letters do you see? What do you see down here? What's that letter? What do you see? Oh, I see peas.
J.
Good job. What else do you see?
Day. Ooh.
Good job. Can you look at Mommy? Say bye.